Hey there, friends. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of solar energy. Solar energy comes from the sun, which gives us light and warmth. It's a powerful and renewable resource that doesn't run out. Using solar energy helps our planet by reducing pollution and cutting down on fossil fuel use. By harnessing the power of the sun, we can generate clean energy right from our rooftops. So, let's explore how these fantastic solar panels work and what makes them so special in our quest for a brighter and greener future. What is a solar panel? So, what exactly is a solar panel? At its core, a solar panel is a device that converts sunlight into electricity. They come in different shapes and sizes, but most of them are flat, shiny rectangles that you might see on rooftops or in solar farms. The two most common types of solar panels are monocrystalline and polycrystalline, which are made from silicon. Each type has its own benefits, but they all share the same goal: to harness the sun's energy and turn it into power we can use. How cool is that? How solar panels capture energy. Now let's talk about how solar panels actually capture energy from the sun. Inside a solar panel, there are special parts called photovoltaic cells. These cells are like tiny superheroes that get excited when sunlight hits them. When the sun shines on these cells, they absorb the light and start the energy capturing magic. The sunlight sends particles called photons flying towards them. As these photons strike the cells, they unleash electrons, tiny particles that help create electricity. It's kind of like a dance party in every cell. The more sunlight there is, the more energy the cells can create, which is why sunny days are the best for solar panels. The process of energy conversion. All right, let's take it a step further and explore how this energy conversion happens. When those excited electrons are freed from the photovoltaic cells, they start moving around. This movement creates an electric current, and that's electricity. But how does this happen? It all comes down to something called the photovoltaic effect. In simple terms, when sunlight hits the solar cell, it causes electrons to break free from their atoms in the semiconductor material of the cell. As these electrons are set in motion, they flow through the material and create an electric current. To keep this electricity flowing, the solar panels are usually connected in a network, and that's how sunlight is transformed into electricity that can power our homes, schools, and even our gadgets. Isn't that amazing? Components of a solar panel system. Now that we know how solar panels generate electricity, let's explore the other important parts of a solar panel system. Besides the solar panels themselves, we have inverters. These clever devices convert the direct current, DC electricity from the panels into alternating current, AC, which is what we use in our homes. Some systems also include batteries. These store extra energy for later use, especially when the sun isn't shining. Lastly, there's wiring and mounting equipment that connect everything together and hold the panels in place. All these components work together to make the magic of solar energy happen. How energy is used. So now, what happens to the electricity made by solar panels? Well, that clean energy can be used to power up all sorts of things, from lights and refrigerators to computers and even electric cars. If your solar panel system produces more energy than you use, that extra energy can be sent back to the grid. This means you could even get credit on your electricity bill. It's like sharing a little sunshine with your neighbors. This is a fantastic way to help reduce your reliance on traditional energy sources and contribute to a cleaner environment. Benefits of solar energy. Using solar energy comes with a bunch of awesome benefits. First, it helps reduce pollution by lowering our reliance on fossil fuels, which are major contributors to climate change. Second, solar energy can lead to big savings on electricity bills since you're generating your own power. Many homes also see an increase in property value with solar installations. Plus, solar power can provide energy independence. You're less affected by rising energy prices. All in all, going solar not only benefits your wallet, but also our amazing planet. To wrap it all up, solar panels are a fantastic way to harness the sun's energy, turning it into electricity we can use. Remember, by exploring solar energy, we're taking a big step towards a more sustainable future. Now, go spread the word about solar power.